Hello everybody, my name is Dede Sumarno. On behalf of Sneakers Travel, I would like to welcome all of you to West Java. The bus ride to hotel will take about 25 minutes. That is fine. I would like to take a minute to familiarize you with the area and discuss some brief safety precautions. First, I ask to stay seated until we reach our destination and that you do not eat or drink while in the bus. Second, please be aware that drinking in the public is against the law. Enjoy your vacation, stay safe while traveling. You will be enjoy your stay here in Bandung, West Java. It is a beautiful city and it's famous for its cool weather and surrounded by mountains. In ancient time, Bandung was the double of Paris Panjapan, where later you can relax, sit, and enjoy good food and feel very peaceful. You can also walk to the city and enjoy the atmosphere of the city of Bandung. Many interesting places and tourist attractions must be visited in the city of Bandung. Nickel Travel offer very special discount depending on your trip. We have a special package for Nickel Travel, specialist availability, full S.Pd bus transportation, local code, documentation, ID card, snack, mineral, water bearing, tour. Seat limited. To book all your trip and activities while you're here. Plan a holiday with us, Nickel Travel and Tours. If you need to exchange your dollar for rupiah, please use a bank or a money changers. We do not recommend exchanging your money at the hotel as you will not get a fair price. Some restaurants will accept American money, will only local money and rupiah. It's better if you change your money to rupiah first, or if you prefer, you can always use your credit card. Also, if you want to get around the city or travel to Bandung City, we recommend that you use the facility we provide to be safe and comfortable. We'll be stopping at the hotel. It's just a few minutes. Please sit down and enjoy the view of the city and feel you fun entering the city. I ask to you remain in your seat until it totally stops. Please double check to make sure no item have been left behind and have been removed from the bus. On behalf of Nickel Travel, happy holiday in Bandung. I hope to you see tomorrow. Happy holiday. Okay guys, Ranca is located on Jalan Raya Ciwidey Patenggang, kilometer 11, Alarm and Ciwidey, Bandung Regency, West Java. The location is about 50 kilometers south of Bandung City, and you can reach it in 1 or 2 hours by car in this mode. Ranca is in that become a tourist spot in Bandung that has become very popular in the last few years for 3 reasons. The natural panorama that make you feel in the different world. In the delightful deer secondary. In the morning mist that makes your photo even color. In front of you, there is a straight road and will pass a mini market. And then on your right, you will be spread to a lot of strawberry garden. If you look to the left, you will be present with a very beautiful tea plantation. As you can see, Ranca Bandung also has a hot water swimming pool which is fun to try. You can soak in hot water here to warm your body in the cold in the S.Pd. In addition to hot waterfall. Kampung Cai Ranca Upas, also known as an attractive waterboom style swimming pool for children recreation. In the distance, we can see a large and very dense tree, and a few minutes later, we will arrive to the Ranca Upas. And finally, we arrive the Ranca Upas.